Welcome to our today's training. So on our today's training, we are going to be learning on how to design a birthday flyers. A birthday flyers. All right. So let's go straightly to our application Pixelab. All right. So you just simply click on your Pixelab, and let me just delay what I was working on. So immediately as you open to your Pixelab, it's going to appear like this. So simply say that when something appears like this and you want to start, the first thing that you are supposed to do is to go to this A plus and delete this text, new text. All right, we'll be going to this three dot up here. This three dot up here. Remember, I said that when you want this three dot up here will take you to the image size, because the size which you want to use it to design your birthday flyer is not having this size. So you are going to click on image size, and you will now go here under this width and height. So we are going to go to the width here and put the width here to be 10, and now the height here will be 15. When you are already done, you click OK. So you see that when you change it, you see as the dimension of this thing here have changed. Good. So the dimension they have changed. So we're going to go to the plus sign up, to the plus sign here, and we're going to take from gallery. You have to buy a background to put there. So we're going to gallery, and we're going to take a background from download. Alright, so I'll be sending those other background, this background here. Alright, so you simply select from the background that you have. Remember that you have to. So remember that in graphic design, it is not every type of background that goes for everything. The background, every type of design has its own background. Each background has to match with a particular distinct. You cannot take the background of birthday and you are going to go and do maybe a death funeral. So each background represent each type of design. So here we are going to go to our gallery again. So I will be sending us the needful pictures that we'll be using for it. So so you simply slide down. All right, so remember the pictures that you are using. If you are working with your client, you are first supposed to take the picture and remove the background. So as for me, I've already removed the background of this picture. Sorry. Okay, good. I've already removed the background of this picture, so I can expand it. So this is the picture here. Now this place here lock. Wait, let me come back. This place here like this place. When you click on this place, it will give you an opportunity to lock it in such a way that whatsoever you are working on it here cannot be shaken again. So you have the opportunity that when you are working with something, you just come here and lock it. Because when you lock it, you, even if as you are touching this screen again, this thing cannot shake from here. But now if you remove it as you'll be working, maybe you can pass and shake this thing. So when you are working, you just come here and you lock it. You go back. This thing cannot shake, except if you want to adjust it, you can go and unlock it. So the next one, we're going to be taking two two pictures for that very flyers. So I will be taking this other one. Now you see that this other picture, it is facing but this way, but I want to rotate it in such a way that it should be facing but front. Now let's see what we're going to do there. You see this icon here, this one here. Good. Is that I want it to rotate and be facing this way. So I'm going to click on it like this, so that this picture should turn and be facing this other way. And I click on OK. You see now I can adjust it very well, and I'll put it. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do also is to put a happy birthday text there. But in this case here, we're not going to be using a text. We're also just going to use a text that has already been formulated. A text that has already been formulated for it. Okay.
Happy birthday, Professor Bettis.
Okay, so I'm going to use this one for the happy birthday. For the happy birthday, like this, and you just expand it and you put it up here. Expand it, and if they have reached, I can lock it so that I should not pass. And this one also, I can also lock this one if I will not need any adjustment. You see now, so anything that you are working on in here, you have already been locked, so you cannot still touch it and edit it. All right, so let's go now to the next one, which we are also going to be taking an icon there. We are going to be taking an icon there. This icon is this one. So yes. All right, so we are going to put this icon.
Happy birthday, Professor Bettis.
We are going to be putting this icon. Sorry for the interrupting. Okay, so we're going to put this icon, and now you see that the icon is very big. You have to hold on this dot that you are seeing here, this dot, and you drag it inside. You are reducing the size of it. You simply reduce the size of it. Simply reduce the size depending on how you want to where you want to put it. Happy birthday, you can just put here. So you go now, you adjust it very well. And you go to here and you take text. I can just here, you can just put the when that person was born. I can just put, let me just put 7 February. 7 February. You see now, yeah, you see that the text is more than the place, so you can now come to size and you reduce it so that it should fit inside. It should fit inside. And whatsoever you want to add the name of the person, you can simply add. For now, I don't want this video to be long. All right, so when you finish now, you go and save your work. Save. If you want to save as image, you can still go and save as image. Right, birthday flyer. The birthday flyer 3. Good. And this thing would normally come on because we are using the free version. These are apps that will always pop on. Then you can go and save as image and you download. Please, now when you download it here like this, let me show you something. When you want to download that image, when you have already changed the normal dimension of the Pixelab interface, now you're supposed to come to this place here. Let me show you this place here. This place here, you're supposed to come at this place here. This place here. So I'll come here and I'll click here. I'll go to PNG. Then I'll go to the next one, which is here under the under the dimension. Here we have at custom. I will change it to be medium. Then I will now click on download. Now if you don't do it like that, you are going to see that when you download your image, when you want to go and check, your image is blank. Yes,